A positive attitude is a person's passport to a better tomorrow. Your attitude is your point of view towards people and things. My success is what I use to slap my enemies. I have an attitude because I have earned it. I can soar the greatest, highest, all because I have the courage to fly. They said I could not, so I did. If you choose to have a good attitude, you will end up with a blessed life, no matter your past or what's going on right now. Do not be the girl who needs a man, be the girl a man needs. You cannot do everything with an average attitude. The more people I meet, the more I realize how well my parents raised me. If you don't like where you are, move. You are not a tree. Be so positive that negative people do not want to be around you. When I catch people staring at me, I assume they are taking notes on how to be awesome. My attitude is a result of your actions, so if you do not like my attitude, blame yourself. When you stop talking to me, stop talking about me too. If your ego speaks with me, then my attitude replies to you. I cannot pretend to be sorry for things that I am not, and I cannot pretend to be somebody else that I am not. Attitude will always define who we are in life. Attitudes are a secret power working 24 hours a day, for good or bad. It is of paramount importance that we know how to harness and control this great force. Always bear in mind that your own resolution to succeed is more important than any other one thing. I notice everything, but I keep my mouth shut. I am not shy. I am not really good at figuring out who's worth talking to. Call me whatever you like. I am who I must be. You can be the princess of your mother, but keep in mind, I am the prince of my dad. You secretly don't like me and I openly don't give a damn. No time for fake and negative people. People gonna talk whether you're doing good or bad. You may never be good enough for everybody, but you will always be the best for somebody. It's so important to have manners and treat people from all walks of life the way they should be treated. It is nice to be important, but it's much more important to be nice. I didn't believe in proving a point to anybody. Nobody is that important. You cannot tailor make the situation in life, but you can tailor make the attitude to fit those situations. People may hear your words, but they feel your attitude. I do enjoy running down a ditch full of mud. Carry out a random act of kindness with no expectation of reward, safe in the knowledge that one day someone might do the same for you. Everyone needs to be valued, everyone has the potential to give something back. Is it a weakness that I lead from my heart and not my head? A gentle word, a kind look, a good nature, a smile can work wonders and accomplish miracles. You do not have to die to save their lives. The greater part of our happiness or misery depends upon our dispositions and not upon our circumstances. The way you treat the animals around you will be the nature of the animal within you. Do not change your attitude and character for anyone. The one who wants you will not change you. Everybody wants to be in the number one position, but nobody wants to start from zero. Believing in someone's failure shows your capacity, not his. What separates the winners from the losers is how a person reacts to each new test of faith. You cannot control the behavior of others, but you can always choose how you respond to it. Attitude is a choice, happiness is a choice, optimism is a choice, kindness is a choice, giving is a choice, respect is a choice. Whatever choice you make makes you choose wisely. Let them hate, just make sure they spell your name right. It's going to happen because I'm going to make it happen. I like to smile at people who don't like me. Your mood should not dictate your manners. If you like me, raise your hand. If you do not, then raise your standard. I dress not to impress but for style and comfort. Stop letting fear rule. Stop letting fear rule your life. Your largest fear carries your greatest growth. Ignoring me can turn into me never speaking to you again. Call me whatever you like. I am who I must be. You can be the princess of your mother, but keep in mind, I am the prince of my dad.